Where's my nailer? Hey guys, so this is the closet workshop. This is what I've been working on for the last few weeks, and behind me there's the tool cubby that I just built. So I'm going to flip the camera around and give you a look at my massive workshop. So this is the left side. This is the left wall when you first walk in. This is where I am storing my clamps, my levels, longer stuff, and then I haven't mounted it to the wall yet, but this is where my lawn equipment's going to go as well. Then here is clamps, which I still haven't driven those those screws in. I've put that up there with a few finished nails, and I keep on meaning to put the screws in. I didn't do it because the baby was sleeping, and I just still haven't driven those damn screws in yet. And I can't do it now because the baby's sleeping now too. And then up here is some yard stuff, automotive, and chainsaw. This is the tool storage I just built. This is for some of my most used tools. And the top there, that was a leftover piece of shelf. So there's a little gap there, but you know, I was just working with what I had, and that's how long it was. I thought about having that line up with the top shelf, but I thought it would be better to have it sitting flush against the top of my tool wall, which is what I have right here. This is just some of the more commonly used things. Then below my workbench, which the workbench is just a 3/4 inch piece of plywood that goes across the entire, if you want to call it a shop. And then down here I'm going to build a cabinet. That's probably going to be my next project, and that's going to store a lot more than that little makeshift thing stores. And then this tool chest will move down. Another project I have coming up is to make a mobile cart for the table saw, because it's a real pain in the ass to pull it in and out. So that'll probably be the next thing I do after the cabinet in the corner here. And back there is my lawnmower and my bike. It's nice that my lawnmower folds up and stores away in here. And I just have some random shit back there that you can't see. Then over here is mostly just storage, a bunch of toolboxes, some bigger tools like my router and my bandsaw, then some stuff that I don't use that often. So yeah, that's the closet workshop. So the next few videos will be completing those projects I just said I wanted to do. So if that's something you're interested in watching, subscribe and stay tuned until the next one. Thanks for watching.